Hey, everybody. I'm Mason Logerot, and I will be facilitating the summer's APSI with Western Kentucky University for AP World History Modern. And y'all, I am super excited about APSIs. They are my favorite time of the year and some of the best PD that you can attend as an AP teacher. Because, so often when we do professional development as educators, a lot of times they're geared to try and fit all subjects and all grade levels, but not this one. We are going to dive into just AP World History. What do your students need to know? What do your students have to be able to do to be successful in the AP exam? What does a typical day look like in your class? We're going to get super practical and really think about how we're going to build a course out. And what I also love about these weeks is that you get to do a lot of collaboration with other teachers from your area and honestly from around the country since we're going to be virtual. So I can't wait to see y'all in June.